Oh, what's up, y'all? So, it's another glorious day, and y'all know what I came to do. So, I'm on the Cass River today, out in Bridgeport. Davis Park is my lunch. Oh, man. It's been a long week, y'all. I'm tired. Work week been kicking my butt, but yes, sir. Y'all see it. Water look a little stained, but I know the smallmouth probably up in here and the walleye. I need both for two different tournaments that I'm in this week. So let's see what we can get going. Let's throw the GoPro on as top of the hat and let's see what we got going. All right. But y'all know what? Before I even get in the kayak, I gotta fish from the bank for a little second, man. I gotta throw this spinnerbait right quick by this dock, man. Last time I was out here, it rained like crazy. A storm just came out of nowhere. Had your boy nervous. With the way that doggone rain and wind was kicking, trust me, y'all would have been nervous too. I ain't gonna throw too much. I just wanna throw around here by this dock right quick. I usually catch a pike or sometimes smallmouth right there. Rock bass too. But with this spinnerbait, probably was just gonna be anything, probably a pike if anything was right there. I don't think nothing right there today. One more long cast, probably up there by the trees. Close to it. Throwing a shad color zinger by Google Squad. Full size zinger, not the micro. I like the full size ones. I don't even got any more micro zingers. Pike just came and took all those. But yeah. All right. That's enough of that. Yeah, and the spinnerbait is actually, oh, there we go. It's tangled up at first, but I got it. All right. Yeah, I figured I wasn't gonna get no bite right here. Water muddy too, so. All right, let's get in the kayak and go ahead and go upriver. See what we can get. Yes, sir. Here I come. Oh, yes, sir. I got you.
You just reached my oar for me. I'm sorry.
That's all right, sir.
Yeah.
Need me to pull you in?
Just put it up, and I might have you help pull me up.
Yep.
Just coming back, or?
I'm just getting up here.
That's good enough. That's good.
All right. Take it from here?
Yeah. I have a motor on the back, and it swamped me.
Oh, you flipped?
Yeah. So I had to go to shore and bail it out.
Oh man. I'm glad you made it back. I'm glad everything's okay.
Yeah. It didn't flip me all the way, but it took the back end.
I got you. Right.
Appreciate the help.
Yes, sir. Not a problem.
I'll get the rest of it, so, and I'll help you in. You've got a heavy rig.
Yeah, it's a little heavy, but I just got to turn her around. I think I could be okay. But I'm glad you made it out of there.
I'm muddy.
Whoa.
lights off a little bit.
I got you. Make sure you don't fall. Alright, so I made it to my first spot. I always come to this spot first when I'm fishing, cast out here in Bridgeport. Throw a weightless yum dinger right quick. Also, I'm gonna throw a Yamatanuki too. I love them Yamatanukis. I ain't know nothing about them until my boy Wendell fishing. He put me on them. It's a windy day. Very, very windy day. Might need some weight on here. See better. There we go. Yeah, now that made it a lot better. Tell you what, folks, if y'all ain't got no polarized sunglasses when you out fishing, you at a disadvantage. Especially say like bed fishing. Oh yeah, you definitely at a disadvantage if you ain't got no polarized glasses. Me, I rock the Yum glasses, of course, yes. Y'all know I am a Yum faithful. I am part of Team Mock though, don't get it twisted. I do use my Mock stuff, but I don't have any Mock glasses. We don't have glasses at Mock yet. So when they make some, I'll get some. That's for sure. Smaller square bill at that. On the Mock Smash combo. Speaking of Mock. But I got this from my boy Wendell. One of the Basses. My boy Wendell from the Basses. Not Wendell Fishing. I gave it to my son. I actually bought it from him for Joshua. Wish I had some all white doggone curly tails. That reminds me, I gotta go get some old Kalen's all white curly tail grubs. Those have been my go-to grubs for years. I need some more of those. No snakes, no snakes, no snakes. Oh my gosh. What was I doing? Why was I throwing a whopper plopper on 20-pound fluoro? What? Nothing. Nothing from nothing, leave nothing. I ain't had a smallmouth hit a whopper plopper all year. Largemouths, pike, even bowfin. All right, we're back at it. Back at it again. Excuse me. I be tripping sometimes. Sorry. Ooh, right. Spot number one. No fishy. No fishy on spot number one. No fishy on spot number one. Let's try the number two. Ooh. Matter of fact, at least kind of juicy. I'm gonna throw a swim bait. I'm gonna throw a swim bait. Oh, bluegill swim bait. Oh, bluegill. Oh no, I'm not losing. Oh no, no, no. If I lose this, I'm gonna be very upset. Okay, thank God. Oh no, we ain't even about to throw that down here no more, y'all. No, sorry, buddy. No. I'm about to put this mug up right now. That one puckered up my butthole. Where that log at, man? That mug around here somewhere. That bum bucklatin. Alright. Alright. We made it to the boat dock. I'm about to set up my chair, my barbecue grill, and I'm about to post up for a little while. I'll see y'all in a second. I'll show y'all what I got going on. Alright, well, I thought I was about to take a break, but y'all know me, man. Y'all know me, man. Y'all know how I get. Alright. Throwing a black and blue jackhammer with a bandito bug, black and blue bandito bug trailer. And this stained water. See if I can get something to just strike at it. And I figured I could take a couple casts. Last time I did this, I got a nice smallie off the chatterbait. Right here. Well, it's looking like they ain't messing with the baby today. Not today. Alright, so look here. Got the little bastard sheet dock right there. Alright, I'll turn him around and got my little mini chill camp area, what you want to call it. The beef dogs on the grill, chair set up, all my gear and everything. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Whoa. Yeah, that's a look. Whoa. Really wasn't expecting that. Walk on. Okay, okay. Well, what? Yeah. Hold on, son. I'm trying to. There we go. All right, y'all. So I'm out here in the pond in the front. Top water fish and see if I can get anything to strike this frog or this buzz bait out here. Oh, big blow up over there. Well, y'all, that did it for me. Got a big old skunkaroo today. So